Baking can be done with a few simple ingredients, so it's about simplicity and nostalgia. People are reminded of their childhood, kagaya nitong ibibake ko. Napaborito ko nung ako ay maliit pa, kaya tara na samahan niyo ko until matapos ang video, lalo na't nilagyan ko ng twist. So let's cook cheesy Spanish bread. Let's get started! Sa isang bowl, maglagay tayo ng warm milk, instant yeast, sugar, egg. I-mix natin until sugar is dissolved. Sa bowl ng stand mixer, maglagay ng bread flour, ilagay ang dough hook, and ilagay ang milk mixture. Kung walang stand mixer, pwede namang mano-mano lang. Tapos pag naka-form na ng dough, ilagay na ang margarine. I-need natin ng at least 8 to 10 minutes sa stand mixer or hanggang hindi na nag-sticks ang dough sa side ng mixing bowl. Kung by hands naman, elastic na dapat and smooth na yung dough. I-transfer na sa grease bowl and i-cover ng kitchen cloth and let it rise for 60 minutes. Sa filling, gagamit tayo ng flour, breadcrumbs, and margarine. Mix lang natin hanggang ganito na ang mixture and set aside. After 60 minutes, punch the air out, i-flour ang kneading board, i-cut ang dough into 10 pieces or sa size na gusto mo. I-flatten ang dough ball sa oblong shape. Lagyan ng filling, i-press ng very light lang kasi baka mabutas ang dough. Then lagyan ng grated cheese, roll the dough away from you, and i-tuck in ang magkabilang sides as seen sa video. And i-pinch ang dalawang ends para hindi lumabas ang cheese when baking. I-roll sa breadcrumbs and ilagay sa grease at dusted ng konting breadcrumbs. Continue the process sa mga natitira pang dough and i-cover ng kitchen cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. Bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. And guys, waiting patiently was worth it. Baking is done out of love to share with family and friends to see them smile. Kainan na! Tara!